Good morning. It is 8:48, December 3rd, and I'm on my way into work right now. I have stopped at both beauty supply stores because I needed a couple things. I needed processing solution, and then color for my last client. I'm pretty sure I have her color, but I didn't want to risk it and not have it, and I didn't really want to go back later on if I didn't, so yeah. And then let's see, what else do I have? What else do I need? I needed shampoo, a particular shampoo for my mom, and then yeah, that's basically it. So this is all stuff that I was gonna do on Monday after I left the rink, but it was snowing again then, so I just was like, no. But I still have to go to the bank and get breakfast because I left my breakfast in the air fryer this morning. But I packed my lunch, so I have my lunch, but I just don't have any breakfast, so that's a bummer. Okay, you guys, it is, what time is it? Almost 3:35. And I'm just hanging out in this little corner of my suite. I have like a little seating area, but I had a client this morning at 10. I had my mom, then I went to Costco with her because there's a Costco around the corner from my suite. Went to the bank, and now I'm waiting on my 5 o'clock client. So I don't feel like going home, so I'm just gonna hang out here and watch Secret Lives of Mormon Wives, sweep, clean my floor, but it's been a pretty chill day, honestly. So I'm tired, I'm getting sleepy, so I'm just hanging out for a little bit. I'm just like watching The Real Housewives of Salt Lake City, and I'm just chilling. I might wash my makeup brushes, but it's been a pretty quiet day today, so yeah. Good morning. It is vlogmas day 4. It's 8:32 in the morning. I'm currently going to get some new tires put on my car, and then I have a client at 11:30, and then what else do I have to do today? I don't know, but I should be done with all the things by 3 today, so I cannot wait. I'm super excited to just be done with today. I don't know, I'm just kind of over it, not really feeling it today, to be honest. Like, yeah, I'm just not really feeling it. So I'm just not really feeling like shelling out a few $100s for tires, you know what I'm saying? Like, you ever just be like, yeah, I definitely don't want to do that, definitely don't want to do that, but I need them. And it's already snowed 3 times within this past week, so I don't want to put it off and risk going into another snow without having fresh tires on my car. So yeah, not really ideal, but I think I work tomorrow, and I work Saturday, and I work Sunday, and I work Monday, and I think I work Tuesday as well. So Wednesday, I think I'm gonna take Wednesday off. I'm gonna try to. Because I'm just feeling a little, I don't know. Just the weather's just kind of draining me, so yeah. But anyway, I'll see you guys in a second. So I just got to my suite, and I just left the tire shop. It cost, because I got a tire replaced this past summer on my car, so I didn't have a full 4 to buy today, but 3 new tires. It actually wasn't as expensive as it could be, but it was $5.24, so that's not pleasant at all. But this is the outfit. So cute. This came from Shein a couple years ago, and I just had like a black tank top on, whatever, and then I've got black jeans, and then my black and white Van old school platforms. But I need to eat some food. But your girl is officially broke because of adulting. So I'm gonna eat my lunch that I didn't eat yesterday, which is, you guessed it, good old baked sweet potato and meatballs. I tell you, I have fixation foods, and that's just what I will eat for weeks at a time, and then I won't eat that for like 6 months. So yeah, it's really easy for me to make, and it's pretty simple, and I think it's, I don't know, relatively healthier than some of the other foods that I would eat. So anyway, I usually have some vegetables with it, but I didn't have any vegetables to cook, so here we are. Okay, lunch reveal. Probably doesn't look that great, but like, here she is. Smells so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat my lunch. I'm gonna finish watching my TV episodes or some YouTube, and then I don't know what else, but the reason I couldn't eat my lunch yesterday is because I didn't have a fork for my meatballs. But yeah, so my mouth is watering. I can't wait to eat this. It's so hot though, because one thing about me is I need my food to be like scorchingly hot, or else I'm not satisfied. So I'm gonna eat this, and I'm very thankful for it. And yeah, see you guys in a second. Okay guys, coffee. What did I get? I got a grande iced shaken espresso with a splash of sweet cream as well. I already did a little swirl, but you know, swirl it around if you haven't already. That's pretty good. Yeah, it's gonna hit a good part of my brain. Yeah, anyway, I'm done with clients for the day though, but I do have like a Zoom meeting thing that I need to sign in for it too, so I'm just gonna hang out here until I'm done with that, because yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and then I need to finish sweeping my floor because I just have a pile of hair on the floor. But yeah, but anyway, that is all that I've been doing today. I come back on Saturday and I've got a client, and then I have a client on, well, I've got 2 on Sunday. So yeah, and then I need to make a list of things to order because I'm out of like all my glosses that are level 6 and lower. So I'm at like 5, 4, 3, 1. I don't really keep 1 on hand, but like 5, 4s, 3s, totally out of that. So I need to do that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna order from this other brand that I've been trying out. So I think I'm thinking about doing that. But anyway, so that's just what I'm doing currently. I'm just gonna chill out, drink my coffee until I have to log on, and that's about it. I'll probably go home, go to the gym today. I don't feel like going to the gym today. I just have been not feeling like going to the gym. I just think too, because like their personal trainers always want to talk to me, and I don't want to do that. Like, I just want to come in, I just want to work out. I don't want to be bothered. Like, it's all good. But yeah, so anyway, that is what the plans are for today. I don't know what I'm gonna eat when I get home because I'm a little hungry, but I'm gonna do that, go to the gym, watch TV probably. I need to fold up some laundry and do another load of laundry. So we'll see what we get into. Okay guys, it is 7:48 and I'm just basically getting ready for bed. I'm not getting ready to go to bed, but like I'm starting off my night care skin routine. But I've been using the Prequel skincare products for a while now, since the summertime, and I just added this one to my routine. So I did a patch test of this yesterday because I do have skin sensitivities, just to make sure this wasn't gonna like make my skin react in a bad way. But I'm gonna do the multi-acid milk peel, the exfoliating toner, whatever solution, because I haven't done this in a couple of days. I usually try to do this once a week, but I washed my face with their cleanser, just the regular one. They have one that has like salicylic acid. This is just the regular one that I use. And then I just sweep it all over my face. I keep it away from like my eye area and like around my lips and stuff. Try not to get super up close and personal there. And this does have like a tingling feeling to it, but like it's clear, it doesn't really look like anything. Sometimes it will get like the grossness out of your pores if you have anything left, but that's about it. So I've been using this one since summertime and I like it. I feel like it helps clear up any breakouts that I have, and it's not super harsh on the skin. And then this is the Prequel Barrier Therapy Skin Protectant Cream. I got this one on Black Friday because I saw a TikTok about it, and I have some of the driest skin, especially my hands. You guys already know my hands are super dry because they're just constantly in water, but sometimes I get contact dermatitis, and I just feel like this helps to soothe it and it doesn't like irritate it. So yeah, anyway, but I'm gonna apply some of this on my hands, and then I'm gonna apply a bit on the face because this is for face and body. So I feel like this will help a lot. It's a skin protectant for face and body that alleviates minor irritation and itchiness due to dryness and eczema flare-ups, which is perfect for me because my skin's literally always so dehydrated. Like, this feels so good because my nose has been drippy the last few days, so it's just like sore and raw basically. And I'm just really just trying to take care of my skin because I'm not 22 anymore. So I would like to look as youthful and whatnot as I can for a long period of time. Look at those moisturized hands. Ugh. My nails, love those. But anyway, so yeah, that's the current skincare. And then I'll put some Vaseline or something on my lips. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do a little journaling and then watch some TV and call it a night.